Hey guys, welcome back to Cyber Central. Today we'll talk about what to do when you get rich from crypto. Let's head into it. So you think all of your problems would be solved by having your investments pay off? Think again, as new ones abound. New money equals new problems. There's no way that a windfall like getting rich with crypto would give you a chance to pay off debt with plenty to spare for a new life. But winner beware. The moment you cash in your ticket, your life will suddenly become a roller coaster ride you could never possibly have imagined. Earning lots of money with crypto is a lot like winning the lottery. With big money comes big responsibility and sometimes also big troubles. Most of us have heard stories of lottery winners who let all their winnings slip through their fingers with nothing to show for it in just a few years. That may not happen to you, but there's one thing you can count on. Your life will change dramatically once the news of your good fortune gets out.
Keep it secret. Keep it safe.
Don't tell anyone. People become envious and resentful when you got rich or more successful than them. Some people will go like, wow, you're rich now. Can you lend me $10,000? You've got $1 million. $10,000 is nothing, mate, right? It will put you into a dilemma, and we know that if you lend them $10,000, you might lose $10,000 and your friend as well. Some people will try to scam you. This is especially true if you go tell the world on the internet about your wealth. Some people will tell other people about you getting rich from crypto, as if you won the lotto. They will think your gain is ill-gotten and you don't deserve it. Some people will be like, oh, you should have told me about this opportunity, mate. Right, even if I told you back then, you wouldn't buy anyway. So save yourself some trouble, keep your mouth shut. Don't spend it all at once. You've likely heard that you shouldn't spend all of your money in one place. This logic rings true when it comes to your financial earnings as well. The tendency to overspend can become a real problem. In the US, 79% of people have issues keeping their spending within their budget's parameters. And the average American admits to spending $7,429 over their budget annually, according to a 2019 poll from Slick Deals. Managing your money should still be top of mind. You should still be stringent with budgeting and keeping track of your spending even if you end up inheriting a large sum of money, experts say. That's because a large number of Americans who lack financial knowledge and aren't succeeding at financial planning put the odds against you, says Carol Fabry, a financial advisor in Conifer, Colorado. In 2018, nearly half of Americans didn't have enough cash to handle a $400 emergency. And in 2017, just 6% of Americans managed to pass a financial literacy test administered by financial services company Financial Engines. A lot of millennials are getting rich with crypto. Nearly half of millennial millionaires have at least 25% of their wealth in cryptocurrencies, as the crypto boom continues to create wealth for young, early adopters, according to the CNBC Millionaire Survey. Some 47% of millennial millionaires surveyed have more than 25% of their wealth in cryptocurrencies, according to the survey of 750 investors with at least $1 million in investable assets. More than a third of millennial millionaires have at least half of their wealth in crypto. The results highlight a new generational divide in wealth creation from crypto, with younger investors who spotted the trend early on able to earn vast fortunes and grow their existing investments from the surge in the prices of Bitcoin, Ether, and other digital currencies. Older millionaires are far less likely to believe in or invest in crypto. Fully 83% of American millionaires have none of their wealth in crypto, and only 1 in 10 keeps more than 10% of their wealth in crypto assets, according to the survey. None of the baby boomer millionaires or older generations has more than 10% of their wealth in crypto. The importance of crypto to young millionaires could shift the wealth management industry, as private banks, brokers, and wealth management firms scramble to cater to a new crypto-heavy clientele. In the coming years, the key to attracting the next generation of wealthy clients could be more about crypto than traditional stocks, bonds, private equity, and hedge funds. We're already seeing the industry responding, Wolper said. We see more and more providers offering access to crypto investing. It's changing fast. The generational divide among millionaires is even more stark when it comes to non-fungible tokens. Most millionaires say that they don't know what an NFT is, and more than a third say that they are an overhyped fad. Yet 2/3 of millennial millionaires say NFTs are the next big thing. Nearly half of millennial millionaires surveyed own NFTs, and 40% say they don't currently own an NFT but have considered it. That compares with 98% of baby boomer millionaires who say they don't own any NFTs and aren't considering it. NFTs have only recently started to be part of the media coverage, Wolpert said, so the older generations are further behind on the understanding. What do you think about crypto millionaires? Are you also invested in crypto? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure that you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.